Every business is related to at least one product. And a product can be anything. It can be a service given to customer or it can be a storable product. So every bit of information about a product need to be stored in a system for better product management. So Odoo ERP allows us to create and configure products from most of the modules, including sales, inventory, purchase, point of sale, manufacturing, etc. So let's open our sales module and see how we can create products and manage it. So when you come under products menu, you can find products, and when you click on that, you can view all the products that have been created with few details shown on different views. This includes Kanban view, and we have list view. So here from the Kanban view, you can view the name of the product, then the internal reference and the sales price and cost for each product. And you can also get a picture of the product. So you can view that. And in Odoo 15, we have a new option to add products to favorites. That is, we can mark our favorite products. And here, after marking them as favorites, if you filter by favorites, you can get all the favorite products. So here I've added bookshelf and bold, and when you check the favorites, you can find those products are also added to the list. And by default, these products are filtered by the products that can be sold. So to create a new product in Odoo 15, just click on this create button and you can see a form. But first we have to provide the product name. Suppose I'm creating product garden chair. So just provide the name and then you can mark this product as whether it can be sold, can be purchased, then can be rented, then we can mark it as recurring. So you can also mark this product as favorites from the form view itself. Like here you can click on this. Now below you can find a lot of tabs. This includes general information about the product. So under general information, we can provide details like the product type. So primarily we have three product types, including consumable products, storable, and service. And in Odoo 15, you can find a lot more product types, including gift card, event ticket, event booth. So in the case of consumable products, it is not necessary to manage the inventory. So these items can be purchased from the retailer and shipped to the customers without interruption and uncertainty. But in the case of storable product, we have to manage the inventory in order to prevent lack of product supplies. So it is important to preserve the supply of products using reordering rules, which we will discuss later in our coming videos. So reordering rule is nothing but a technique. There is a set of rules that are used to maintain stock of products. Then we have service products. So service products are customer services. It can be a car washing service, floor cleaning service, or it can be a project task. So this does not exist in the manufacturing activities and it is therefore not possible to store services as stock. And then comes a gift card, that is we can convert the product as gift card and you can use it in e-commerce shop. And we can also find some other types including event ticket, that is we can convert this product as event ticket and then event booth. So these are new options in 15. Then comes invoicing policy. So invoicing policy is really important because this helps us to decide for what quantities and when the invoice need to be generated to the customers. So this also depends upon the product type that you have chosen. So as we have selected storable product, here you can find two invoicing policy. One is ordered quantity and other one is delivered quantity. That is, we can create invoice for ordered quantities, that is the quantities ordered by customers, Or we can create invoice for delivered quantities. That is for the quantities that you have delivered. And if you have chosen a service product, you can find new options for invoicing policy. Like if it is a service product, you can create invoice for order quantities, that is prepaid. We can make the payment before delivering the service or with fixed price, and you can create invoice based on timesheet, that is time spent by the employees, and also based on milestone. So I will discuss about invoicing policy in a different video. Now, after that, here we can set a default unit of measure. So this default unit of measure is used for all stock operations. And then you have to choose a purchase unit of measure, that is default purchase unit of measure. So make sure that this default unit of measure and purchase unit of measure belongs to same category. Then only the conversion can be done while you're purchasing products. So here for this garden chair, let me search for the other unit of measures available. We have dozen. And if you have any doubt regarding this unit of measure, that is how to configure unit of measure, how to create new unit of measures, then you can check the link above. We have done a video on how to configure or create unit of measures in Odoo 15. Then here you can see the sales price for this product. So after choosing the sales price, here you can add customer taxes, that is multiple customer taxes can be added. And above with the sales price, you can view the tax included price. Here you can see the taxes, tax 15%. So I have added that 15% of 1,000. You can see it is now 1,150. So in Odoo 15, it's possible to view the tax included price along with the sales price. And if you remove it, you can see that is removed from here. Then you can provide tax cloud category, which is used to compute specific tax rates for the category. Then you can add the cost. And here you can choose a product category, that is product group. So already in Odoo, we have some pre-configured categories, and you can find all of them when you click on search mode. So here we have consumable products, deliveries, and we have services, software, and you can create new category and you can set it for your product. So as it is garden chair, I'm choosing the category as furniture, all saleable office furniture. So for a product category, you can find there is a hierarchical structure, that is parent-child structure. And if you have any doubt, you can just click on this external link, you can view the details. And we'll explain detail about product category in a separate video. And here you can provide internal reference for your product. Then you can set the version of the product. So as you're creating the product for the first time, you can see the version as 1. And if you want to change it, you can manually do it, change it from here. Then you can provide a unique barcode for your products. And we can set a company. So if you choose a company here, then this product record will only be available for this company. And here below, you can find a box, description box, where you can provide internal notes for the product. Then here we have a tab attributes and variants. So these are used to create variants for the product. That is, we can add attributes and set values. Like we can add brand, then you can choose a value for that attribute. So multiple attributes and values can be added, and we can create variants instantly or dynamically after purchase. So don't worry, we will do a video on this. That is how to easily configure attributes and create variants for products in Odoo 15. And we have sales tab where you can add optional products for this garden chair. So I'm adding optional product as deck chair, and we can also suggest some accessory products in e-commerce cart. Then we can add alternative products. That is, if we have a better version for this product garden chair, we can also suggest that to the customers by adding here as it has an alternative product. And below we can provide some details related to e-commerce shop. Like you can make this product available on a website. You can restrict to a particular website. Or if you want to make it available on all the website, you can just leave it empty. And here you can set a category for this product. That is, the category is displayed on e-commerce shop. So I'm choosing category furniture, chairs. And then you can to sell the product even when it is out of stock. So when you disable this, you will not be able to continue selling the product when it is out of stock. Then you can show the available quantity when it is below a certain unit. So in this case, if the product is less than 5 units, then the available quantity will be shown on the e-commerce shop. And we also have an option to show an out of stock message to the customers on the shop. Then here you can find a field that is related to point of sale. That is, you can make a product available on point of sale. You can set a category for this product on point of sale. And we have electronic scale option to weigh the product with scale. And you can also attach media for this product. So you can simply click on that and you can add an image name. You can set a video URL or you can add image. And if you want to add sales description, then here you can find that space. So here, if you add a note, then it will be added to sale orders, invoices, or quotations. Then we have tab render. You can set render pricing. Like for 1 day, you can set render price 100. We can set a price list for this. Then for 2 hours, you can set 20. Again, you can set the price list. So like this way, we can add multiple render pricing lines. And like here we can see if you take extra hour, then you can charge an extra amount. Then if you take extra day, you can charge extra amount. Then you can also set a security time. Like if you want to make this product temporarily unavailable before pickup. You can set a time here. So we have a rental module that manages rental orders of products, and we will discuss it in detail in a separate video. And we also have purchase tab. If you install purchase module, so here you can add vendor price list. You can choose a vendor. You can set the currency for the vendor. Then you can use the unit of measure. You can set a vendor unit price for the product. Then you can use the vendor delivery time. So you can set here. You can view procurement related details. Then we can set vendor taxes. Then here for purchase also, you can view bill control policy. Then you can also add notes for purchase orders. And here we have inventory tab. So this inventory is used to manage the stock of products. So we have a separate module for managing inventory of products, that is inventory module. And here you can set routes for the product, like by manufacturer. So routes are the path through which product goes. Then we have drop ship. So you can choose a required routes, and you can also track the products by lots of serial number. You can set expiration date if you're tracking products. Then we can provide description for receipts, delivery orders, internal transfers. So each of those options will be discussed in detail in our coming videos. And here you have accounting tab. That is, we can provide accounting related information like income account, expense account, price difference account, and we have stat related details. Then you can set UNSPSC category, and you can also set an email template. So using this template, automatic email can be sent to the customers. That is, we can send invoice, credit note, or subscription invoice or payment status to the customers using the template. And then we have eBay tab, where we can allow the product to be sold on eBay. So mainly these are the options in our product page. So after that, you can save the product. And above, you can also find some tabs, that is smart buttons. This includes extra prices. So if you have added any extra price that can be viewed for your product, then we can view rental related details. Then if you have created lots of serial numbers, that can be viewed here. So you can see I have created a lot for this product. Then a lot of other options, including storage capacity, put away rule, then total quantities sold, total quantities purchased, then attach digital files. And here from the product form, you can also find additional actions for the product. So when you click on that, you have the option to archive the product, duplicate it. That is, you can create a new product by duplicating the existing product garden chair. And if you want to delete this product from the database, you can just click on this delete. And you can also find an option to get pictures from Google Images. But when you click on this, you have to make sure that you have an API key and search engine ID that is set in general settings. So right now we haven't set these details. So we have to go to general settings from Odoo and set these credentials. And you also have an option to generate price list report for the product. So this one is really useful because you can find the price list created for the product garden chair. You can see for one quantity, it is 900. Here we can set a different price list. So if you want to view the price list name, here we have to enable this option, display price list. You can take a print of the price list report. And the same way you have other options, like we can list eBay products, then revise the products, then relist end product listing and unlinked product listing. And here you can find the space for adding image for the product. So you can choose an image and set it for your product. Now let's come back to our Kanban view. Here we can search for a product, garden chair. You can find that from here. And we have already marked this product as favorite. So this is how we create new product. And we can find a lot of other filter options, like we can filter products by services. So you can find all the service products. Then we can filter by products, that is total products. Then the products that have been published. So you can publish a product by just getting into the product form. And here you can click on this, go to website and publish it on website. So you can see this clock is already published. Then we can make it view the products available in point of sale. Then the products that can be purchased, rented, subcontracted, expensed. Then if you have blocked or set warnings on product, then those products can also be viewed. Then you can view arcade products. Then if you want to add a custom filter, we can choose a field, quantity on hand is less than 2. So we can track all the products with quantity on hand, which is less than 2. Then here we can group the product by product type. Then product category. Then point of sale category. And also we can add custom group. Group by create date. Then if you want to import product records, you can just come under favorites. Here we have import option. So you can import records by uploading either CSV or Excel file. Now we can create quotation or sale order and choose a product in order line. So from sale order form, after choosing customer and other details, here we can add products to the order line. So if you search for garden, you can see the garden chair is shown here. So as we have made this product can be sold, it can be chosen from the sale order line. So here you can view the product suggestion. lecture. If you want to add this also, you can click on add and confirm. So that's all for this video. And if you have any doubts related to product creation, you can add a comments below. And if you require any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop a request to odoo@cybrosys.com.